It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Nic Deboer. Dr. Nic is the founder of Complete Health Dentistry of West. He provides comprehensive dental care for people of all ages, older than comfortable and gender-free setting. Through the implementation and the use of cutting-edge medical research and technology, Dr. Nic strives to bring advanced science and preventive oral health knowledge to West Michigan. Dr. Nic is a clinical advisor for the Devos Institute in Denver, Colorado, to teach the science of craniofacial growth to dentists from around the world. And these teeth, and it makes it even more fun.
It's $1 million word.
He also sits on the executive board for the American Academy of Oral and Systemic Health, with the mission of increasing collaborative efforts between healthcare providers both locally and nationally, thus ensuring a healthier city for all generations. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Zach. Yeah, man, you know so much about me. All right, cool. So this presentation, I wanted to focus on what really is important to me, and it is what really drives the quality care that we provide, and the environment that we provide it in. So I wanted to introduce you guys to my team. So this is one of our big mottos: on a good day, we change a smile, and on a great day, we change a life. At CHD, we are all about complete health, and through a dental perspective. Our practice takes an innovative, technological, advanced, and data-driven approach that bridges the gap between oral health and overall well-being, ensuring our patients and their families thrive in every aspect of life. And here is the heart and soul of our practice. All right, so we're gonna go through this. I'm gonna read a little bit because some of this I wrote, and I asked my entire team to provide kind of a summary of what they love about their job, their role, and or CHD in general. So first, me. So I'm just a hometown boy from Rockford, Michigan. Went to Grand Valley State University. I got a degree, pre-med degree in biomedical science, and then went to University of Michigan for dental school. University of Michigan does happen to be the best dental school in the world for like 25 years running, so it's no big deal. Dr. Joe Miele is from Rochester Hills, Michigan. He went to Albion College, where he majored in art and biology. So very distinct, differently things, but really cool. Then he went to the University of Detroit Mercy for dental school. So Dr. Joe loves how dentistry combines both of his passions, art and science. He loves creating beautiful smiles, but he also loves creating perfect fillings on back teeth that no one will ever see. Well, that's it. So, and then the other Dr. Nic Deboer. So Nic, I've known him for years. He's from St. Joe, Michigan. He went to Detroit Mercy for undergrad in biology and Detroit Mercy for dental school. He actually happens to, I'm pretty sure he's experienced almost every procedure in dentistry himself personally. He was in a car accident as a teenager, and then some different things. So he's had jaw surgery, implants, crowns, bridges, fillings, all sorts of stuff like that. So he's a young guy, but he has experienced it all, so he can really come with a lot of empathy for patients when they're needing treatment or work done. Okay, our admin team. Many of you know her, but some of you don't. Kristen Ritzema. She is the heart and soul of this practice. She has literally handpicked every single person that works here. She's the reason I get up in the morning, and she's the reason, and she's the kind of the drive behind every operational system, everything that we've done to improve our workflows and our systems and the care we provide. It's all her. Morena, our team leader, treatment coordinator, She loves Disney more than anything else. Well, okay, she loves Disney more than anything except for her daughter, Miele. But then, hold on, where am I at here with this? So she is the most caring and the most positive team member that we have. I've never seen her have a bad day. And she loves helping patients feel confident about their dental care. She enjoys ensuring people feel comfortable and understood. And she loves CHD for our focus on whole body health and our patients come first atmosphere. To her, scheduling patient appointments is like scheduling time to see her friends. Next. There we go. All right, Missy. So Missy's our director of first impressions. She is the smiling face that greets everyone when they come in the door. She's also the first person to answer the phone when a new patient is calling or a number that's not recognized by our system. And so she loves introducing new people to our practice and kind of getting them kicked off on the right foot so that they have a great experience. So she loves great people, but she's allergic to BS. And that's what makes her the best gatekeeper for our patient family. Patrick is the first impressions assistant. Yes, Patrick is my dog. Many of you have met him. He is super energetic. Really just, I've been blessed with a great dog. That's all I know. He really does make the atmosphere at the office, a lot more fun. And he puts children at ease and nervous patients as well. Okay, so Melissa's our clinical director. She's my lead clinical assistant. I've worked side by side with her for 14 years. She was my first assistant out of dental school, and we have worked next to each other ever since. She's basically my left hand to Kristen's right. So affectionately known as Dr. Massengale by our team. She's one of the smartest non-doctors that I know. She knows everything there is to know about dentistry, and she absolutely loves providing care, especially in our craniofacial growth and airway orthodontic treatments. Mandy is one of our dental hygienists, but she is also our oral myofunctional therapist. Another $1 million word. Mandy's known that she was going to be a dental hygienist since she was in the first grade. She loves helping our patients understand the direct connections between their oral health and their overall health. She's constantly researching and studying the newest evolutions of oral health care. And so, she's duly certified in oral myofunctional therapy, is a Buteyko breathing instructor, and is currently studying to become a craniosacral therapist as well. On top of all that, she is getting married this year, and she is our team's leading conspiracy theorist. She loves a good conspiracy theory. She'll talk about that more than she'll talk about dentistry sometimes, and it makes her appointments run long. So if you're into a good conspiracy, definitely schedule an appointment with her. Okay, our other 3 dental hygienists. So Liz came to us, and then she actually brought Courtney with her from another office where they weren't super thrilled with the office culture. But Liz has become our team's leading salivary diagnostician. So she leads our team in salivary diagnostics, and she actually is the lead that hygienist that took our saliva testing protocols from just testing and figuring, all right, what bad bacteria do you have in your mouth, to, all right, what bad bacteria do you have in your mouth, and what products and home care regimen can we guide you on so that you can eliminate the pathogens that cause periodontal disease and gum disease. Anne. So Anne's our freshest team member. She also has, came from an office where, she wasn't super thrilled. She's our most experienced dental hygienist. She's worked in many offices. She, kind of hopped all around West Michigan for, over 30 years, I think, 25 to 30 years. But So she's worked in many offices all around West Michigan. She's seen all aspects of dentistry, the good and the bad, and she's come to appreciate the fact that the highest quality of care is the only standard of care that she's willing to provide. And so she's finally found her permanent dental home here with CHD. Courtney. All right. So Courtney's our fun factor person. She gets our morning meetings that we have here every other week or day of the week. Started with a 5-minute Zumba or some sort of like cardio dance routine to get everyone moving and all the blood flowing. So she loves meeting new people and helping them understand the root cause of their oral health problems in order to deliver meaningful long-term solutions. All of her passion and her energy comes from having 3 young boys at home. She's got a 3-year-old son, Theo, a 5-year-old son, Little Eddie, and a 34-year-old going on 13-year-old husband, Big Eddie. So he's a middle school science teacher. So he's like a kid at heart. All right, Adele and Liz, to wrap this up, are other clinical assistants. So Adele, I'm most proud of her, of all of the clinical assistants I've ever had. She came to us during COVID, when like she was in like the restaurant service industry, and that whole culture was not great during that time. She was looking for something different, and at this point now, almost 5 years later, she is probably one of the best chairside dental assistants I've ever worked with. And she is probably one of West Michigan's leading dental assistants at the execution and delivery of like high-tech dentistry. She manages our same-day crown program and all the computer stuff, a lot of the laser stuff we do as well. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's also our team's newest newlywed. So she just got married last fall. Her husband Connor is also a conspiracy theorist. So when him and Mandy get in a room, it's really fun to just drink and listen. So, all right. So Lizeth is our quiet, calm dental assistant when the doctor is in the room. When the doctor leaves, she's probably the realest person that is here. So when the doctor leaves the room, that's when a dental patient, especially a nervous dental patient, starts asking all the real questions. And she gives it to them straight as can be. And she is definitely a little more gangster and ghetto than she lets on. But she's also very super professional. And so she's definitely a great person to have on the other side of the chair. So that is our team. And we like to have fun. We like to mess around. And we like to travel and learn. And we do it together. And that's who we are. This is Complete Health Dentistry. Any questions? All right.
Dr. Nic, actually, can you go back on the slide, please?
Maybe.
One more. Who's in the dinosaur suit?
The dinosaur suit?
Yeah.
Which one?
On the right?
So this is Kristen. And this is me.
Okay.
We have like 6 inflatable dinosaur suits. So yeah, if anybody needs a theme for a party, we definitely have a bunch of those. Any other questions? Okay. All right. Mandy. So Mandy's right here. Yep. Yeah. She's here early all the time. Sometimes she schedules her 7 a.m. patients. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Which ones?
Yeah.
So this was our team, one of our team Christmas parties. So this was last year. We did a like a formal like Christmas like dress up and like dinner party. This was this year. We did a cowboy Christmas. This was this Halloween. So this was after work. We went over to Logan's Alley across the street. That's usually our Thursday after work place to go because they have the deck and we can take Patrick. So, all right.